Welcome to Yoga Nidra. My name is Sarah. Before we begin, make sure you have a comfortable space to sit or lie down on your back or on your side. You can place a pillow or a bolster beneath your knees. You can have a cushion under your head. An eye pillow or scarf over the eyes is nice to make the room dark. You may want to cover yourself with a blanket. Create a cozy space, your rest nest. Let's begin with a slow breath in and breath out. Allow yourself to get comfy. Make any final adjustments to get as comfortable as you can. Feel free to move or adjust anything anytime during this journey to support your comfort. Moving slowly and mindfully when you move. Becoming more aware now. This is a practice of awareness. Noticing your body resting. Aware of your breath. Become more and more aware of each level of your being as you are guided through sensations, breath, thoughts, feelings. Allow yourself to be the observer of all that you truly are. The observer who is filled with compassion and acceptance. There is no way to do this practice wrong. There is no way to do this practice wrong. There is no wrong thing you can experience. You may along the way feel relaxed, easy, and peaceful. You might also happen to feel discomfort or unease. That is normal and natural during meditation. As best you can, welcome in everything that you notice, pleasant or unpleasant. What is important is to be with what is. 5. Soften your whole body. 4. Let go on your exhalation. 3. Let any lingering thoughts fade. 2. Notice yourself unwinding. 1. Notice joy in your body. Imagine yourself now in a place that feels soothing, peaceful, and calming. Peaceful and calm. This could be somewhere that you know or an imaginary place. It may be outside in nature that you like, such as the beach or in the woods. Or it could be indoors, somewhere that is soothing to you. Feel yourself here. Begin to see all the surroundings, the colors, light, objects, plants, or any special objects. You get to choose what is here. All things peaceful and calming for you. Now see yourself here in your soothing, peaceful place. Feel this place calming and soothing to you. Your soothing, peaceful place is always here for you. At any time during practice, you can come back here. Especially if anything feels intense, odd, or uncomfortable in any way, come back to your soothing place. You can come back to this place anytime you would like to. All you have to do is remember, and you'll be back here. Your soothing place is always here and part of who you are. Come back here when you want. It's part of the practice. Begin to feel your breath, your natural breath. Aware of breath in your chest, the easy rise and fall of breath in your chest. Now go inward, deep inside, and notice, what is my heart's deepest wish? Let the answer come from your heart. From your heart's wish, create a positive statement in present tense as though it's already happening. Something like, I am whole and complete exactly as I am. You can use this statement if you like it, or if you heard your heart's wish, then state it 3 times silently to yourself as the truth. Now let your awareness move through your body as you are guided. Feel each body part, then move on to the next when prompted. Do not worry if you cannot feel every body part. Sense your face. Notice your jaw. Become aware of sensation in your mouth. Feel the roof of your mouth. Underneath the tongue, notice teeth, gums, tongue, root of the tongue. Sense taste in your mouth. Now feel all of the parts of your mouth all together. The entire mouth. Now feel your nose, nostrils, right nostril, left nostril, both nostrils. Feel your breath passing through the nostrils. Aware of your sense of smell. Feel your nose. Notice your ears. Feel the wrinkles and folds of the ears. Back of the ears. Ear canals. Inner ears. Aware of your ears hearing. Now feel your eyes, eyelids, eyelashes, surface of the eyes, centers of the eyes, backs of the eyes, behind the eyes. Feel your eyes. Become aware of your forehead, crown, whole head, throat, neck, right shoulder, right arm, hand, right palm. Feel right hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, all of the fingers. Feel now the whole hand vibrant with energy. Aware of right wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Feel throat center. And notice left shoulder, arm, hand. Notice left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, all of the fingers, whole hand radiant with life. Become aware of left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, and throat center. Feel the chest, heart space, heart center, belly, navel center. Notice shoulder blades, between shoulder blades, ribs on the back. Sense the low back, buttocks. Become aware of your whole back. Feel the right hip, right thigh, knee, right lower leg, ankle, top of the foot, sole of the right foot. Notice big right toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. Feel all of the toes. Become aware of sensation in the navel, left hip, thigh, knee, left lower leg, ankle, top of the foot, sole. Feel the big left toe, second toe, third toe, fourth and fifth toe. Feel all of the toes. Feel both feet, legs, torso front and back, hands and arms, neck and head. Feel the whole body now. Whole body. Become aware of right side of the body. Now feel the left side of the body. Feel back body, side of the body facing the ground, back body. And now feel front body, side of the body facing the sky, front body. Feel the whole body now, whole body. Notice the entire global feeling of the body. Become aware of your natural breath, unforced breath. Feel breath in the belly. Without changing your breath in any way, notice the rise and fall of the belly with the breath. Feel breath in the chest. No need to deepen your breath, simply notice the natural expansion of the chest with the breath. Breath in the chest. Now become aware of breath in the throat. Feel breath in the nostrils. Breath in the nose. Aware of the sensations of breath. Notice the incoming and outgoing breath. Observe your breath. Natural breath. Unaltered breath. Feel the inhalation. Aware of exhalation. Now count your exhalations from 10 back down to 0. If you get lost or lose track, without judgment or agitation, begin again at 10. Notice your breath. Counting your breaths. Now let go, counting the breaths. Feel a place in your body that feels peaceful. Become aware of the sensations of this peaceful place. Completely feel the sensation of peacefulness in this place. And now, allow the feeling of peacefulness to spread through your body and to completely fill your body. Feel peacefulness in your belly, in your arms. Feel peacefulness in your legs, your torso. Feel peacefulness in your head. Now imagine your body becoming heavy, very heavy, and sinking into the ground. Heavy as though you are filled with sand. Body heavy, sinking into soft, receptive ground underneath you. Body heavy and sinking. Heavy and sinking. How does it feel to feel heavy? Now imagine your body becoming light. Light as a feather, light and floating. Feel heavy again, completely heavy and dense. Now feel light again. Go between feeling heavy and light on your own now. Now feel both heavy and light together. Feel relaxed. Relaxed. Perhaps like a turtle sunning itself on a rock. Feel relaxed. Notice if there is a particular place you feel relaxed in your body. Let the feeling of relaxation fully unfold throughout your body. Feel relaxed. Notice if there is a color or associated color with the feeling of relaxation. What is the feeling of relaxed for you? Allow this color and feeling to completely fill you. Use all of your senses to imagine these things as they are named. Hear, feel, smell, see. Using any of your senses to experience each one fully. There is no need to try, let them come to you. Imagine beams of sunlight through trees. Beams of sunlight through trees. Beams of sunlight through trees. Become aware of a bonfire. A bonfire. A bonfire. Notice the flame of a candle. The flame of a candle. The flame of a candle. Imagine the sun setting over the ocean. The sun setting over the ocean. The sun setting over the ocean. And now you are at the ocean. Walking at the ocean. You can feel your legs and feet, and you feel present in your body walking. You can hear the waves washing onto the shore. You notice the rhythmic waves. You observe the sunlight on the water. The line where the ocean and the sky meets is crisp and clear, the calming horizon. The sky is open, bright blue, and you feel the expansiveness of the sky. You see yourself from above or from behind, and you are walking on the shoreline in all this beauty of nature. And now you feel like resting, so you may choose to sit or to lie down in the sand. Noticing all the places your body touches the warm sand beneath you. And you sink in even deeper. More relaxed. Feeling peaceful and at ease. Feeling like you have merged with nature, with the beauty here at the ocean. Going inward now. Go inward. Imagine the full moon, crystal clear moon, the healing moon. Now imagine the moon and its healing energy, or another image or object of your choosing, in the key points in your body. Beginning with the crown, imagine the full moon at the crown of your head. Moons on your temples, and feel moons on your jaws. Moon on the back of your head. And notice the healing vibration of the moon, soothing, calming, and cooling, absorbing into those places into you. Imagine moons under your collarbones, moons in your shoulder joints, biceps, elbows, forearms, wrists, and moons in the centers of your palms. The moons radiate silver, calming energy that spreads through your hands and arms from these points. Moons on your shoulder blades. A moon between the shoulder blades. Moon on your low back. And one on your belly. Moons in your hip joints, thighs, knees, shins, ankles, and soles of your feet. Feel the moon energy balancing and healing you. Feel the moon in your heart center. And now the sound Ram arises from within the moons in synchronicity, bathing you with healing energy, sounding like Ram. Each time you exhale, the sound of Ram flows through you, healing and balancing you at all levels of being. And you rest here for some time, receiving all the healing energy you need right now. Remember now your heart's wish statement, the positive intention you set at the beginning. State it silently now 3 times as the truth. Your healing energy continues to wash through you. Your heart's intention continues to unfold within you, even as you journey back now. You rise up on the beach and walk back, retracing your footprints in the sand. And you see yourself returning now. You come all the way back to this room. Here in this room you began in. Slowly returning. Five. Feel expansive, open, and free. Radiating pure bliss and light. Aware of your innate healing energy. 4. Now become aware of yourself as your witness. The one who has observed with love and acceptance your body, breath, journey. 3. And now begin to notice thoughts and feelings flowing through your awareness again. 2. Notice your breath. 4. Feel its rhythm and pace. 5. Invite your breath to deepen now. 6. Feel yourself gradually reawakening. 1. Now sense your body. Notice your back on the ground. Feel all the places where you touch the ground. Feel your front body facing skyward. You are now completing Yoga Nidra practice, becoming slowly more awake and aware. As you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers, feeling every sensation as you do. Begin to wiggle your toes. Gently rock your head side to side, a slow awakening. Draw a deeper breath into your belly, into your chest. Rock slowly over to your left side if that is comfortable. Press your hands into the floor and come up to a comfortable seated position. Lengthen your spine. Take a full breath in and out. Notice how you feel. Aware of the effects of practice today. Bring your hands to heart center. Allow the eyes to slowly open to a soft gaze on the floor. Bow to yourself in gratitude for practicing today. The light in me sees and honors the light in you. Namaste.